Cupa. What? What are you doing? What's going on? Cuba, come on. Yeah? You really like that bake, don't you? Hey? Well? Oh, bird. Yeah. You tell me. Big yawn? You tired now? Oh, there's a wet spot there. That's not cool. What's going on? Is your bake not crunchy enough for you? Is it not flat? No. This is not a time for cleaning. Just the bitchiest look ever. Cupa. Can I pet you? What is this? He's a kitten. He's a kitten. He gets his petsies. Gets an arm push. No. Okay. So how are you this morning? Are you seriously that good? Really? Cute, but that's amazing news. Oh, I'm so happy for you. You found your sunspot. What? Oh, it's too horrible. No, go back. Go back. No. Okay, that's cuter. Yeah. Oh, no. You done? No more camera? I think this will be good for the dating site, Cuba. Yeah, I really do. Wow. Top-notch stuff, buddy. Yes, you purr. 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 Okay, now you gotta say bye. Can you say bye? Good enough.